Fury, his first professional fight, and just how good is he going to look? Fury just 20 years old, and you can see a giant of a man. He's been boxing almost as long as he can remember. His dad was Gypsy John Fury, fought Henry Akinwande back in the 1990s, Steve Garber as well. And he got married, did Tyson, on the 21st of November. And his new wife, Paris, is sitting at ringside. They've just got back from their honeymoon on the Algarve, so what a celebration this would be if he could start with a victory here tonight. He'll be nervous, though.
That'd be fantastic for him. Obviously, he will have nerves, this being his first fight, but what a fantastic name, Tyson Fury. Let's hope he can back it up.
His dad, John, is standing at ringside, or was. He's taking his seat now. The blonde-haired girl in the middle there, that is Paris, Mrs. Fury. And he is the reigning ABA super heavyweight champion. Beat Damien Campbell of Repton in the final. And as you heard, he was overlooked in favour of David Price for the Olympics, and that is something he is annoyed about. He thinks he could have taken the Olympic gold medal. Well,
and you can see why. He's very, very confident. You know, this being obviously his first fight, but you know, already getting to work with both hands. Very rare you see a guy of his size, his stature, working body in their first fight, but this is a good onslaught.
Good body shots from Fury, and he's trying to produce a spectacular performance here on his opening fight of his professional career. Oh, left hand goes in, and Gyongyosi is in trouble. He really felt the power of that left hook. Well, he's getting to his feet, but I'm not sure he wants too much of it. And Howard Foster says no more. And one big knockout win now goes. Tall fellow Fury. Zeller will be dangerous in the early stages. His community, dad included, who could do a bit.
Much more cautious approach from Fury in the first round, but a bit cautious. And he's got that.
Oh, that's a good right hand. Zeller felt that one, really good quality shot. Come on, let's have a bit more. Well, that's a good quality uppercut, really good right hand from Fury. And he senses that he might be able to end his man here. It's a foot, he's not slipping anything. This uppercut there.
Well, he's done well so far, Zeller, to stand up to this attack, because Fury's putting